How to get rid of toenail fungus fast at home. Nails reveal everything about your overall health. It creates a kind of first impression about your cleanliness and lifestyle also. So trimming your nails from time to time is mandatory. But in some cases, trimming doesn't work correctly if you get the habit of wearing tight shoes, same socks for days, or leave your toe in moist condition day by day. Toenail fungus symptoms. Toenail fungus starts with a few common indications like swelling, redness, and soreness. But these symptoms are almost identical when you get a bruise on your toes or fingers. So when you notice your toenail getting red spots, to try to recall whether you have any wound there or not. If not, it is an indication of toenail fungus. Check out these natural home remedies for how to get rid of toenail fungus under the nail. Cornmeal. Cornmeal is flour made from dried maize, which is not very fine. It is more coarse than regular wheat flour. Cornmeal is very popular for its use to banish black spots caused by a fungal infection, so it is estimated that cornmeal has some antifungal properties that help cure toenail fungus. Method. Take 3 to 4 spoons of cornmeal, or as per your requirement, to add it slowly into warm water and stir well to make an even paste. Let it cool down and coat the affected nail and keep it for 1 hour. If you want to soak your feet in cornmeal solution using enough lukewarm water to make a liquid solution, and dip your affected toenail for an hour. Essential oil. These are the group of herbal oil that is widely used in aromatherapy. But apart from aromatherapy, essential oils can give wonderful effects as far as other health issues. In essential oils, the properties and flavor of the mother flavor plant remain unmodified and original as they are obtained through the process of distillation. To treat toenail fungus, you can use several essential oils to get the best result. Oil you need: tea tree oil, clove oil, lemongrass oil, cinnamon oil, jasmine oil, eucalyptus oil, lemon oil, oregano oil. Method. Now take equal quantities of each essential oil in a container. Dilute them with carrier oil or olive oil. Mix the oils well to make a solution. Apply a few drops on the affected nails. Wrap the nail with a soft bandage so that it can be absorbed completely. Garlic. This popular flavoring ingredient needs no introduction, as humans have used it for both culinary and therapeutic purposes. Garlic extract has potent antimicrobial and antifungal properties to cure toenail fungus. Method. Please take a few cloves of garlic and chop them. Apply the crushed garlic on the affected toenail and cover it with a gauze bandage. Keep it for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Garlic is the best way to get rid of toenail fungus. Epsom salt. How to get rid of toenail fungus fast with Epsom salt. It is the conventional name of magnesium sulfate. This is known as the earth salt and has various usages in beauty, agriculture, and medicine. If you are suffering from toenail fungus, an Epsom salt foot bath can give your toenail relief from redness and soring. Method. 2 to 3 cups of hot water. Half cup of Epsom salt. 1/4 cup of white vinegar. Mix well all the ingredients in a tub and soak your feet for half an hour. You can also add 2 to 3 drops of tea tree oil. After soaking your toenail for 30 minutes, clean it with normal water and pat it dry. It is the best toenail fungus treatment. Baking soda. How to get rid of toenail fungus fast with baking soda. Sodium bicarbonate, popularly known as baking soda, which is being used in the kitchen for centuries for different purposes. Apart from culinary uses, it is also beneficial for health issues, including toenail fungus due to its antibacterial and antifungal nature. Baking soda is also a potent exfoliator, and thus it can exfoliate the fungal infected skin surface. Besides this, its alkaline nature helps to create an acidic effect where fungus can hardly survive. Method. To cure fungus infection on the toenail, you have to make a paste with baking soda and water. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 2 to 3 drops of lukewarm water and mix well. Now apply this concoction with the help of a clean earbud to the nail. Please keep it for 30 minutes and wash it with normal water. Repeat this treatment daily 2 to 3 times if you want a better result. You can also sprinkle dry baking soda on the affected area and cover it with a sock. Baking soda is the best cure for toenail fungus. It also cures ingrown toenail fungus.